Imagine walking through your front door after a long, stressful day. You've had meetings, errands, maybe traffic. It's been exhausting. Then you see your dog. Right there, they stretch their front paws forward, arch their back, and look at you with those big, soulful eyes. You might smile or even laugh. It's cute, right? But here's the truth. That stretch is far more than just adorable. It's a form of communication. Dogs rely almost entirely on body language to express how they feel. That small movement can be a greeting, a way to release tension, an invitation to play, or even a signal about their physical and emotional well-being. By the end of this video, you'll start seeing every stretch as a clear message from your dog. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss tips to understand your furry best friend. Once you see a stretch, you'll know exactly what it means. Number 1. Greeting you in their own way. When your dog stretches as soon as they see you, it's often their way of saying hello. Dogs don't have words, so their body becomes their language. Picture this. You've been out for just a couple of hours. Your dog sees you, and instead of running straight at you, barking or jumping, they extend their front legs, arch their back, and gently shift their weight. This simple action communicates excitement, recognition, and joy. Their tail may wag softly, ears are relaxed, and their eyes shine with affection. Sometimes, they even yawn during the stretch. While it looks like tiredness, it's actually a friendly, non-threatening signal that tells you they feel calm and happy in your presence. By recognizing this greeting, you can respond appropriately, perhaps with a gentle voice, a soft touch, or a warm smile. This acknowledgement strengthens your bond, showing your dog that their communication is understood and appreciated. Over time, these little greeting stretches become a heartwarming ritual, a silent conversation between you and your dog. Number 2. Warming up their body. Stretching is also practical. It helps your dog prepare their muscles and joints for movement. Just like humans stretch after waking or sitting for a while, dogs need to loosen their bodies. When they stretch upon seeing you, it's often their way of warming up, signaling readiness to move or play. Observe their body carefully. The front legs extend forward, the back arches, and the hind legs push back slightly. This full body stretch helps their muscles loosen, improving circulation and flexibility. After a nap or long rest, this stretch is often a sign that they're getting ready to engage with the world again, whether that's following you around the house, running to greet another family member, or joining you for a walk. Responding to this cue can be as simple as encouraging gentle activity, tossing a toy, or initiating a short walk. By paying attention, you're meeting their physical needs while also respecting their natural body rhythms. This is their way of saying, I'm ready to move, and I want to do something fun with you. Number 3. Relieving stress and finding comfort. Stretching can also serve as a subtle stress relief mechanism. Dogs, like humans, carry tension in their muscles, and stretching helps release it. When your dog stretches after seeing you, especially if they've been alone or slightly anxious, it can indicate that they are calming themselves. These stretches are often slower and deliberate, sometimes accompanied by soft yawns, gentle shakes, or relaxed sniffing around the room. In these moments, your dog is communicating a sense of safety. Being near you makes me feel calm and secure. Responding with soothing words, gentle petting, or simply staying nearby reinforces their sense of security and strengthens their trust in you. Number 4. Showing affection and connection. Stretching can be one of the most subtle and meaningful ways your dog shows affection and connection with you. When your dog stretches in your presence, you might notice them holding gentle eye contact, softly nudging you with their nose or paw, or wagging their tail slowly and loosely. Unlike energetic displays like jumping, barking, or running around, this type of stretch is calm, deliberate, and intentional, showing that your dog feels safe, comfortable, and emotionally connected to you. In this moment, your dog is communicating a profound message. I enjoy being near you, I trust you, and I feel secure with you. It's a quiet, almost silent way of expressing love and appreciation. Responding in kind, through soft words, gentle strokes along their back or sides, or even just sitting quietly with them reinforces that bond and shows your dog that their gestures of trust are recognized. Over time, these small affectionate stretches become part of a larger dialogue between you and your dog, deepening your emotional connection and allowing you to truly understand their feelings in a way that words alone could never capture. Number 5, inviting interaction or play. Sometimes, a stretch can be an invitation to interact. The classic play bow, front legs extended, hindquarters slightly raised, is a clear example, but even subtler stretches can signal that your dog wants engagement. Signs often accompany this behavior: bright eyes, energetic tail movements, or small wiggly motions. Through this stretch, your dog may be communicating, "Let's have fun together." Responding with a game, tossing a toy, or simply giving them attention encourages joyful interaction and strengthens your bond. Recognizing these cues allows you to meet their social and emotional needs while keeping them happy and engaged. Number 6, indicating health and well-being. Finally, stretching can give insight into your dog's overall health. Dogs that stretch fluidly and comfortably are generally healthy, flexible, and mobile. Smooth, relaxed stretches indicate that their muscles and joints are functioning well. However, if a dog shows stiffness, awkward postures, or reluctance to stretch, it may indicate discomfort, joint issues, or muscle tension. Observing these patterns helps you monitor their physical well-being and catch potential problems early. A healthy stretch is effortless, smooth, and confident, signaling both emotional and physical wellness. Next time your dog stretches when they see you, remember, it's more than just a cute gesture. Every stretch carries meaning. It could be a greeting, a way to prepare their body, a stress relief mechanism, a display of affection, an invitation to play, or a signal of health. Paying attention to these cues helps you communicate with your dog in a way they truly understand and strengthens the bond you share. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss tips about dog behavior. I'd love to hear from you. Does your dog have a unique stretching habit or a funny way of showing love? Comment below. I read every story.